With Pendo's Orchestrate, your team will now have the ability to combine in-app guides and email to meet your users where they are at. For example, you can have the ability to create an onboarding campaign for new users, pushing out notifications that are relevant to users and how they're acting within the application, being able to drive product adoption into these areas, and even more. And so there are many different ways in which we can get into Orchestrate, but let's take it down into the analytics. Our team has noticed that when users are interacting with this feature set, they are more likely to be retained. So our team has noticed a clear value in being able to track this feature user adoption to retention of their customers. And so now what we're able to do with Pendo's Orchestrate is we have the ability to create a journey. This journey can be the positive combination of having in-app guides to notify users of these features. It could also be triggering email conversations to let them know about this type of adoption and getting engagement from this different channel. But what makes this incredibly powerful is that your organization will have the ability to determine what is going to be the goal of this type of journey. Do we want to see product adoption of this feature set? What type of users do we want to be involved within this journey? Is it going to be people who have never used this feature set before? Is it going to be brand new users who have interacted with the application? And how do we want to start to drive adoption and those types of metrics? And then finally, when users are interacting with the journey, we can see the users who have entered the journey, users who have engaged with the journey, and then finally, users that have achieved the goal after engaging with that journey. And your team will be able to see that every step of the way where we are seeing that achievement and that engagement throughout the process. So again, with Pendo's Orchestrate, this will be your tool to not only engage users within the application, but also being able to engage users via email to bring them back into the product.